Hey everyone, Realme launched the Realme C31 recently, and if we talk about the features here, let's first talk about the design. On the front we have this large display, we also have this notch type of design for the selfie camera. At the bottom we have this large bezels. Now on the back we have this triple camera module and we also have this Realme logo. Now in terms of the display, this one features 6.5-inch HD Plus LCD panel. So yeah guys, the panel is LCD panel and we also have the resolution of only HD Plus, so no full HD panel here, but yeah, 6.5-inch size is good enough. Now in terms of the chipset, this one features the UniSoC Tiger T612. Now Tiger 612 is an octa-core processor which is based on the 12nm technology, and it features 2x 1.8 GHz ARM Cortex A75 and 6x 1.8 GHz ARM Cortex A55. And the GPU here is the ARM Mali G57 MP1. So basically this chipset is for the entry-level smartphones, and in terms of the internals, it will feature 3GB RAM and 4GB RAM options, and also 32 and 64GB storage options. Now let's talk about the camera module here. On the rear we have this triple camera module which looks really good. The main sensor here is the 13MP sensor, and two other sensors are not of much use. It features 2MP macro sensor as 2MP black and white sensor. So basically good enough for the entry level budget smartphone. And on the prompt inside this notch we have 5MP of selfie camera. So yeah guys, the basic camera setup here, nothing interesting and exciting here. Also the C31 will run on the Realme UI R edition which is based on the Android 11. Now in terms of the features, it features the fingerprint sensor which is side mounted. We also have 3.5mm headphone jack here, and in terms of battery it features 5000 mAh of battery which is really good, but the charging speed is only 10 watt. And also this one has micro USB port instead of the type C, but hey, this is not a flagship device, this is just a budget smartphone, and specifically we can say the entry level smartphone. Now Realme C31 is launching on March 31 in India, and it is already available in the Indonesia market. And if you talk about the price here, it will start at the price of $110, or we can say around 8,000 rupees. Also we will have two different color options. As you can see, we have this black color and we also have this light blue color. So yeah guys, that's the all info we had today for the Realme C31. What do you guys think about this smartphone? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you later.